Hey folks, we're back with Autosnipe. I want to talk about a very important topic which you need to understand before using the AI sniper tool, and that is trading fees. There will be a lot of numbers, but I will try to illustrate it on screen the best I can. If you do find this video helpful, a like would be really appreciated. This took way longer than I thought it would. Anyway, first I need to be honest with you all about a mistake that I made in one of my previous Autosnipe videos. In my 7 days AI sniper video, I showed myself using a very low trading amount of 0.01 sol per trade. What I didn't realize at the time is that Autosnipe PnL does not include fees, and it turns out that with that trading amount, the settings I used in that video are not actually profitable overall. And you'll understand the reason for that by the end of this video. The platform itself charges a 1% fee per trade, or 0.9% when you sign up using my link in the description or the pinned comment. Then you have the gas fee. The gas fee comes in two parts. You have the base fee and the priority fee. The base fee is a fixed amount charged for every transaction on the Solana blockchain, and that fee is only 0.000005 sol. So we really don't need to worry about that one. By far the most significant fee we need to consider is the priority fee. That is the fee paid to the validator nodes to incentivize them to process your transaction faster than other transactions. For example, if you and someone else tried to make the exact same trade at the exact same time, but you paid a higher priority fee, then your transaction would be processed before theirs. Now that fee can vary a lot, especially if you're using the AI optimized or AI bullet fee settings. With AI optimized, the fee can be anywhere from 0 to 0.006 sol, depending on the network conditions at the time. And they don't give an exact range for the AI bullet fee, but it's generally just slightly more than the AI optimized one. You can also check what the current fee is by hovering over the little information icon when you're setting it. Obviously, if more people are buying at one time, you'll be paying a higher fee to get your transaction through quickly. Anyway, where a lot of people are going wrong with this sniper is they're not taking into account the fact that these fees apply to every single transaction that you make. And if you're trading with a really low amount, like I mentioned earlier, of 0.01 sol per trade, then you could actually be draining your account on fees, even though Autosnipe might show that you're making a profit, because the Autosnipe PnL, as I mentioned, does not include fees. So to really explain this better, let me give you an example. For the sake of simplicity, I'm only going to talk about the priority fee, since that's the only significant one that's relevant to us. For the platform fee, just subtract 0.9% at the end. Alright, so let's say you set up your bot to use 0.01 sol per trade, and you set 3 take profit targets. You set one to sell 50% at a 50% profit, you set the second one to sell 25% at a 75% profit, and you sell the remaining 25% at a 100% profit. For the record, those are completely random numbers and not a recommendation in any way. So you buy in initially with 0.01, and for that buy, let's say you pay an average priority fee of 0.002. A few hours go by and the trade hits your first take profit target at 50%. So your bot sells 50% of the holding, which would be 0.0075 at that point. And for that sell, you again pay a fee of 0.002. Another hour goes by, your trade hits the second target of 75%, so another 25% of the holding is sold, which is about 0.0043 at that time. And then, of course, the same 0.002 priority fee applies again. Then, finally, after a period of time, your last target is hit, so the remaining 25% of your holding is sold at a 100% profit, earning you 0.005 sol. And you guessed it, for that transaction, you also paid a priority fee of 0.002. Now, let's add that all up. You started with 0.01, and in theory, without any fees, you would now have 0.0168, which would be a 68% profit of 0.0068. However, in reality, you paid a total of 0.008 in priority fees for the 4 transactions you made. So if we subtract that from your total, what you actually end up with is 0.0088 overall, which is obviously less than the 0.01 that you started with. So although the sniper bot is showing that you made a 68% profit for that trade since it doesn't take fees into account, you actually would have made a 12% loss overall. In order to break even on that trade after fees, you would have had to make an 80% profit. And that's only to break even again, aside from taking any actual profit. So what all of that means is it would be impossible for this particular sniper setup to ever make any profit. Even if every single trade it made hit all of your take profit targets, you would still be losing 12% every time. So what can you do? Well, there's a few options. The most obvious solution is to just increase the amount you're investing per trade. For example, if you run the exact same calculations with the exact same settings, except with 0.1 sol per trade instead of 0.01, that same 68% profit would leave you with 0.168, and then once we subtract the 0.008 fees, you're still left with 0.16. So you would have made a 60% profit overall, because your fees only amounted to 8% when trading with that higher amount. Now, obviously everyone has their own financial situation to consider. Not everyone can afford to risk 0.1 or more per trade, but there are still two things you can do to minimize your fees if you are trading with lower amounts. The first is choosing to use a lower priority fee. Now, obviously the downside of that is that your transaction won't process as quickly, meaning you might miss out on a good entry into a volatile token, and your trades might be too slow to catch the exact take profit or stop loss that you set. So you might be better going for the other option, which is only using one take profit target, which, if we assume the same 0.002 priority fee as before, would mean that you're paying 0.004 fees overall because you're only making 2 transactions. So if you were using 0.01 sol per trade, and you had one take profit target set at 100% for example, your gross profit for a winning trade would be 0.02, and after fees that would still be 0.016, meaning a 60% profit in theory. Again, if you haven't already and you do want to try out Autosnipe, go ahead and do so using the link in the description or the pinned comment. That will give you 10% off your trading fees. If you want to see my results from 30 days of trading with the sniper, check out this video. Or if you're interested in copy trading with Autosnipe, check out this video. I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching, and see you later.